Holmatro has done a really fine job of creating a handheld hydraulic rescue tool used for forcible entry. It combines 5 different things that you could do with one tool. It weighs only 17 pounds. So let's go over it. First, it's a sledgehammer. It can be used just like any sledgehammer. But it also has, up here, a set of bolt cutters. And then here are a set of spreaders. To operate it hydraulically, we just open the handle. And when we begin to pump, 2 things will begin to happen. You'll either be cutting with the bolt cutter attachment, or you'll be spreading with the spreader. The spreader goes all the way out to 5 inches, and the cutter closes on up to 5/8 inch round bar stock. Squeeze this handle, everything closes up. Close the handle, goes back to being a forcible entry tool. It then adds for prying. It also can be used for lifting hydraulically, spreading hydraulically. This part is removable, so the rescuer can use this part to make forcible entry into a seam of a door. Once that has been sledgehammered into position, this can be re-added, or the adds portion can be placed into the door opening and then operate as a spreader. This goes back on the back end, making it a compact, portable, all-purpose 5-in-1 tool. Sledgehammer, bolt cutter, lifting tool, spreading tool, prying tool. I think that covers it. We'll have these in June. VSI has ordered a large stock of these so we can make them more readily available from Holmatro. So give us a call, and we'll send out some literature. And you can share this video to all your friends and your co-rescuers, because nobody has ever done something like this before. And that's why we got a show like the Harrisburg Show to produce something like this. It's prototype number 3, but we'll have up to 70 of them coming in starting in June. Thanks for your time. Enjoy your day.